funny kids. Let's go. Come with me. Here we learn everything. Welcome to Annie Kids. My dear children, in Annie Kids, today we are going to learn healthy habits. Already you know about good habits. In this video, you'll learn what is meant by healthy habits. Healthy habits make you to be healthy. Come, let's go and learn together and follow these healthy habits to be healthy. Clean your teeth twice a day. Daily, morning and night. Before going to bed, you have to brush your teeth. Clean your teeth twice a day. And the next, wash your hands. Before eating food, you have to wash your hands thoroughly with soap or else liquid. Washing your hands is antibacterial. So daily wash your hands before eating. And the next one, have a bath every day. Don't make rest in bathing, okay? Have a bath every day. See, the boys shower. Have a bath every day. And the next, eat healthy foods. What is meant by healthy foods? Green vegetables, fruits. All the vegetables and fruits are healthy. Nuts, juices. Take healthy foods daily. Then you have to drink plenty of water. Plenty of water means you have to drink more water. If you take enough water means you will feel very fresh and active. So drink more water and stay hydrated. And the next one, eat junk foods and sweets occasionally. What is meant by occasionally? You no need to eat daily, at least monthly twice or else weekly one day. You can take sweets and junk foods. Don't take daily. Okay, children? It will harm you. See, the girl teeth is paining. The next, do your homework regularly. What is meant by homework? After you came from school, you have to study and write your homeworks. Whatever your teacher teaches in school, you will recall it in your home. And the next one, limit television and computer use. If you are regularly seeing television or computer or mobile screen, your eyes will get very harm and you will wear specs very soon. So limit television and computer use. Be active for at least 1 hour a day. If you are playing or else doing any other activities like exercise, running, dancing, jumping, playing, whatever, but you have to be active at least 1 hour a day. The next, be kind to yourself and others. What is meant by be kind? You have to be thankful, helpful and lovable to others as well as yourself. Don't fight. So always be happy with your family and friends. The next one, you have to give some time for you to be relaxed. Make some time for you and take rest or else meditation, hearing music, whatever your wish, you have to give some time for you. And at last, get plenty of sleep. Plenty of sleep means you want to sleep deep sleep. And then 8 hours of sleep day you have to sleep, children. These are the top 12 healthy habits. Follow these healthy habits and be healthy. Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next video.